Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 208, a studio on the 2nd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is a hall closet on your right. Continuing on into the apartment, you'll come to your kitchen, with a refrigerator, a microwave, a dishwasher, and an electric oven and range. On into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, and a dresser, as well as your second closet. Every studio apartment has an air conditioner and a heating element. This apartment faces east with a limited view. One great feature of Commons West Apartments is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 208. Call us today for availability.